Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at the latest weather patterns, still no changes. You can see the ridge in the southeastern part of the country. Troughing is here in the west. It looks like this little impulse right in here, now entering the western sections of Texas, could be the last one, and then we'll take a break for a few days. But this pattern will reestablish itself once again next week, setting the stage for several more rounds of showers and thunderstorms through the last half of next week, possibly through next weekend and into the following week, as we'll talk about the rainfall potential here in a second. Let's give you a look at, first of all, what's on the way for the next, for the nighttime hours tonight. Give you a look, first of all, at the high-resolution rapid refresh model, and you can see we are going to be looking at the potential for some scattered showers and thunderstorms this evening, as well as overnight. As you can see here, as that final impulse approaches the area, we'll have some leftover rain around the region during the morning. And as we switch over to Futurecast, you can see that rain will gradually begin to move out of the Arklatex here during the morning. A few pop-up showers possible during the afternoon tomorrow, but we'll begin to see a little bit of sunshine in the mix during the afternoon, and that clearing trend will continue across the Arklatex tomorrow night, and that'll set the stage for the one day of sunshine that we might experience here for Sunday. As we'll see that cloud-sun mix for Sunday. Clouds likely will begin to increase across the region as we go through Sunday night, and probably looking at lots of clouds for Monday, with the rainfall potential once again returning starting Monday night into Tuesday. Here's a look at that weather pattern. You can see that impulse that I pointed out finally moving through. We'll see a brief period of west to northwesterly flow aloft, but another disturbance approaches the area Monday night through Tuesday. Second disturbance approaches the area Wednesday, as you can see there, producing a chance for more rain, and then showers and thunderstorms with the front stalling somewhere around the Arklatex. Right now it looks like that could occur over the southern half of the area. But keep in mind that could also be anywhere further to the north or to the south. And with that being said, that'll keep the chance for showers and thunderstorms in our forecast. And you can see that upper level low just kind of spinning its wheels there across California. And as long as it's to our west, we will see the continued threat for the occasional period of showers and thunderstorms. Now look at rainfall potential. This model has backed off from the projections from yesterday. However, as I made the point yesterday, this only goes out through Friday early afternoon. We will continue to see rain across the region through next week into the following weekend, and we could be looking at 6 inches of rain, if not more, 6 to 10 over parts of the Arklatex. That focus could be southern half of the area, could be northern half of the area. Right now, as I mentioned, it looks like that threat could be focused on the southern half of the region, which obviously would affect area lakes and rivers. And you can see the effect on the red in that we're going to be at flood stage here, or at least just below flood stage by the middle of next week when all this begins. So we'll have to watch the rivers and lakes very, very closely as we go through the end of next week and through the following week. Meantime, the next 7 days, looking at the rain ending tomorrow, looking at some sunshine Sunday, clouds return Monday, and then each and every day we'll see that shot for the shower and thunderstorm next week. Highs mainly in the low 80s, lows mainly in the 60s. In Shreveport and Texarkana, pretty much the same story. Rain pretty much every day starting Tuesday. Not a bad weekend. Low rainfall chances for tomorrow. We'll see sunshine in Texarkana Sunday, clouds return Monday, and you can see highs in Texarkana cooling off with the rain back into the 70s once the rain returns, as nighttime lows for the most part will be in the 60s. So again, the good news, one thing I didn't mention with the showers and thunderstorms tonight, not looking at much of a severe weather threat, although can't totally rule out an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm across the region, but nothing very organized is anticipated across the area tonight or tomorrow. So that is one saving grace of this. But we are looking at, again, more storms and the potential for more heavy rain through much of next week.